Welcome back to another episode, guys. This one's actually 2 days, two separate trips, so it's been quite slow and the weather has been a bit average, but we managed a few fish, so sit back and enjoy.
First cast. Oh, can't complain about that. First cast of the day. Classic winter fish though. Very lazy. Feels alright though. Same as the other day. Mid-40s I'm calling. Oh, he's choked it. Not a bad fish. Oh. Oh. Come here. Come here. There we go. First fish of the day. On the 3-inch prawn, eh? Put him on. What do we got? You see that? 47. There we go. That feels heavier. We on? Second fish of the day. Had a few little taps leading up to it. Oh, that's why we had taps. Look at that. That is a good size Lake Mac squid. Oh. Bad one. Yeah, we're on, boys. There we go. This one feels more like a flatty. We've got head shakes. Nice. Beautiful eater. Come here. There we go. Second flatty of the day. 38. He's 36 is the legal size, so I'm actually going to put this guy back. He's pretty small. Whee! Beautiful. There we go. That's a better one. That's a much better one. At least it's fighting better. Certainly at the bottom, just throwing it straight on his head. Yeah, it's a good flatty. It's a good one. He's hooked alright too. I hate this bit. No, I hit him in the net. There we go. 43 and a half. 43 and a half.
Well, that ends up being the end of day one. No more fish were caught, but let's get stuck into day 2, eh?
Yeah, it's a good thing. Right at the side of the boat. I was just thinking about changing lures too. Here we go, he's hooked well. There we go. First fish of the day. In the windy conditions. Oh, there it goes. There's that 2.5 inch little bait junkie. There's a fish. Not exactly a monster by any means, but oh, I can't complain about a fish. Hey, 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 hey. Come here. Right, let's give him a measure. Give him a measure. Hey, hey, stop it. Put him there. Straighten him. Alright, what do we got? 40. That is 44. Not massive, but you know, a couple of these, that'll be dinner. So this one's gonna come home with me. No idea if you can see that. Look at this bust up straight ahead. Straight away. Straight away. That didn't take long. Literally put this out like 2 minutes ago. Not even. Doesn't look massive, but it's a fish. Little tailor. There we go. That took all of about 3 seconds. There we are. Nice tailor. Oh yeah. On again, boys. On again. This feels like a better one. more. Not taking long, they're getting onto it straight away. Yeah, that's a better one. They're coughing up so much whitebait, it's actually mental. Mental how much whitebait they're coughing up. Much better one. Go for the net. Oh, get in. Get in. The net. Yeah, I'll show you what they're coughing up. See that? It's just whitebait. They're just coughing that up everywhere. I literally called it like 20 minutes ago. I'm like, man, there's so much bait here. There's got to be something here. Yep, there we are. There's the one. We're on again, boys. Oh no, we dropped it. We dropped it. See if he comes back. See if he comes back.
That's the end of the trip. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe if you want to see more. Cheers.